friends, welcome to my YouTube channel YashvikFood, and in today's video we'll be learning how to make perfect Karnataka Style Sambar. Ingredients needed are 2 tablespoon cooking oil, coconut paste, turmeric powder, jeera and mustard seeds, shallots, chopped onion, homemade sambar powder, tamarind pulp, tomatoes, yellow masoor dal, finely chopped garlic, your favorite vegetables, coriander leaves, curry leaves, 3 dry chilies. Now let's start the cooking procedure. Take a pressure cooker. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the oil is heated, add cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Once they splattered, add garlic. Once they turn brown, add onion. Fry everything well. Now add some shallots. Into it, I'll add the vegetables. Stir everything well. I'm adding turmeric powder, two ripe tomatoes, stir everything well and let it cook until the tomatoes are softened. Now let's add yellow masoor dal. Now I'm adding tamarind juice. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Two tablespoons of sambar powder, grated coconut paste, or you can also add coconut milk. Now let's add water. I'm adding 1 liter of water. You can add more as per your required consistency. Thoroughly stir everything and bring it to a boil. Add salt to taste. I'm adding coriander leaves for fragrance. While it's boiling, let's close the lid and cook for 3 whistles. Wow, it smells so good. Sambar is almost ready. Sambar, a staple Indian food. Inspired by my mom's recipe, I make it often, cherishing the tradition. It's my favorite versatile dish, which is perfectly paired with rice, idli, dosa and more. Now let's do the final seasoning. Heat the oil, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Dry or fresh curry leaves, onion and dry chili, fry everything well and add it to the sambar. Mix the seasoning and dig in. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this Karnataka Style Sambar recipe. Please give it a try and share your thoughts in comment section. Or you can also tag us on Instagram at YashvikFood. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to stay tuned. Until next time, bye guys.